Children, today we will study the chapter 24 angles. Concept of an angle. So, what is the angle? Two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. Here is the fixed point O, and the ray OA and OB starting from the same fixed point O, making angle. Angle AOB, or we can say angle BOA. Now, interior of an angle. What is the interior of angle? Here the shaded part, that is known as interior of an angle. What is the exterior of an angle? Here the shaded part, that is outside of the angle, is known as exterior of an angle. Children, now we will learn more about the angles. That is 1 degree equal to 60 minute, 1 minute equal to 60 second. Now I am taking one example. At 74 degree 35 minute 18 second and 9 degree 20 minute 53 second. Now write in that manner. The sum of this equal to 83 degree 55 minute 71 second. And you all know 60 second equal to 1 minute. Therefore 71 second equal to 1 minute 11 second. Now 83 degree 55 minute 71 second will become 83 degree 56 minute and 11 second. Children, now we will study the types of angle. Here are the types of angles. First is acute angles. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. The angle 60 degree, 40 degree, 70 degree. All angles are known as acute angle. Second is right angle. Right angle. It is equal to 90 degree. Third is obtuse angle. The angle which are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Fourth is straight angle. The angle which are equal to 180 degree, exact 180 degree, that is known as straight angle. Fifth is reflex angle. The angle more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is always known as reflex angle. So these are the angles. Learn the definition of these angles and remember it. Children, now learn or remember some important result. These are the angle, the sum of angle at a given point, that is O. The sum of angle equal to 360 degree. Here the angles are angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle DOA. So the sum of this all angle equal to 360 degree. Just remember it. Now one more thing you have to remember. Adjacent angle. What are the adjacent angle? Whenever we have two angles in which they have the common arc, they have the common vertex. If the position is that, then we will say that angle AOB, angle COB are the adjacent angle. But remember that for that they should have the common arm and the common vertex. Now the vertical opposite angles. Here the two lines intersect each other. Whenever the two lines intersect each other, the angles made by them, here is this one and here is this one. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, that is vertically opposite angle. And one more, angle COB equal to angle AOD. So these angles are vertically opposite angle. Then I am taking question number 2, exercise 24A. Here we have to find out the points that are interior and that are exterior of the angle POR. So here is the point PAX that are interior of the angles, and the here second part is exterior. Here the point D, M, N, S and T are the points that are exterior of the angle POR. Next question is that question number 4. At 9 degree 45 minute 50 second and 73 degree 8 minute 15 second. Now add this 2, we get the result 82 degree 53 minute 71 second. But you know all 60 second equal to 1 minute. Therefore 71 second equal to 1 minute 11 second. So now 82 degree 53 minute 71 second will become 82 degree 54 minute 11 second. Children, I am taking question number 6, exercise 24A, that is Find the angle PQS whenever given SQR equal to 75 degree. Here is the question. And children, you know, whenever we have the straight line PQR that is equal to 180 degree, so two angles are on this straight line PQS and SQR. So the sum of this is 180 degree. So SQR is given 75 degree plus angle PQS equal to 180 degree. So now PQS equal to 180 minus 75, that is 105 degree. So answer, angle PQS equal to 105. One more question I am taking, question number 8. First part is that given A equal to 130 degree, figure is there. Here the two angle PQR and the reflex angle PQR. You know that the sum of angles on a given point is always 360 degree. So angle A plus B will equal to 360 degree. So put the value of A 130 plus B equal to 360, or B equal to 360 minus 130, that will subtract from here. So that is 230. So B equal to 230. In that manner you will do this. Children, now I am taking question number 10, exercise 24A. Read the questions. In the figure given alongside, angle AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x and also answer each of the following. Angle AOP, angle BOP, which is obtuse angle and which is acute angle. So here we have, you know all, the straight line angle is always equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle AOB equal to 180. Hence, angle AOP plus angle BOP equal to 180 degree, or x plus 30 plus x minus 30 equal to 180 degree. Write the value of AOP and BOP. 30 to 30 cancel. X plus x 2x equal to 180 or x equal to 90. Now put the value. Angle AOP equal to x plus 30, that is 90 plus 30 equal to 120. Angle BOP equal to x minus 30, that is 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Here angle AOP equal to 120, obtuse angle because more than 90 degree. Angle BOP equal to acute angle because that is here less than 90 degree. I am taking exercise 24A, question number 12. Here we have two lines intersecting each other, AB and BC. So have to find the value of A. Here we have AB equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because of the straight line. So angle A plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree, or angle A plus 60 degree, as angle AOC 68 degree. So therefore, angle A equal to 180, 68 will subtract from 180, give the 112. So we got the value of A equal to 112. Now in the second part, we have to find the vertical opposite angle. So which are the vertical opposite angles? Angle AOC and angle BOD. Angle AOC and angle BOD are the vertical opposite angle. Angle AOD and angle BOC. Angle AOD and angle BOC are the vertical opposite angles. And next we have to find the adjacent angle. I am writing here only one pair, and other pair you will find yourself. Angle AOC and BOC. Angle AOC and angle BOC are the adjacent angle. Other adjacent angle you will find yourself. And the reflex angle BOC, that is 360 minus 112, that is 248. There are some more reflex angles in this figure, so you will find yourself.